Once we see them crash, then we'll slow down.
Take care of other people.
Yeah, she's essential, Levi.
I'm a fool.
Yeah. You guys drive safe.
I love you.
I love you. You'll be okay.
I don't want to leave you.
You'll be okay.
We got Vanessa.
Anybody?
Are you ready?
What are we doing?
You guys are so sweet. Hey, it's me. Your kids are pushing someone out of the snow. This is our second car that we've stopped for. Maggie, come on. Let's go in the snow. Come on, Maggie. Good girl. Good girl. No, she's like, oh, Zara. Zara, come here.
Hey.